Pool season is officially open, but so is the endless struggle of cleaning it, right? Well, if you want to completely forget about maintenance and hand it over to AI, look no further. This is the BeatBot Sora P7. BeatBot is a game changer in this market, and Sora P7 is a fully cordless model that eliminates cable clutter. Before getting started, we quickly pair the robot via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. The app interface is super clean, offering for different cleaning modes: floor only, surface only, standard, or the full pro mode. Just select your preference, and with OTA updates, your robot stays smart and up to date. When dropped into the water, its submarine-inspired smart flotation system keeps it right on top. As you can see here, it glides across the water, using its dual directional jet pulse water propulsion system to push leaves and pollen towards the center, instantly skimming the surface. Once the surface is clear, it dives to the bottom. Powered by dual gyroscopes and accelerometer sensors, its CleverNet algorithm maps your pool in real time, moving in a precise S pattern, while the massive 25,700 LPH suction traps even the finest sand into the 6-liter filter. The active dual brush allows it to easily climb vertical walls and scrub away algae. Thanks to its 10,000 mAh battery, it can operate continuously on a single charge. Its standout feature is its all-in-one capability. With a 25,700 LPH power, it cleans your pool effectively and thoroughly. Now let's focus on one of its most impressive features, the surface skimming mode. Instead of letting leaves, bugs, and pollen sink to the bottom and decompose, the Sora P7 catches them while they are still floating. It does this using a highly innovative jet pulse water propulsion system. This specialized dual directional spray creates a controlled current, pushing all floating debris directly toward the robot's intake. Everything is then trapped inside the massive 6-liter filtration basket. Thanks to this proactive surface cleaning, it significantly reduces the workload on your pool's main filtration system. It's quick, efficient, and keeps the top of your pool crystal clear. After clearing the surface, the Sora P7 dives down to show its real underwater capabilities. On the bottom, it features active dual brush spinning in opposite direction at high speed. These brushes scrub away stubborn dirt, algae, and debris stuck to the pool floor. Meanwhile, the massive 25,700 LPH suction power ensures absolutely nothing is left behind. And it doesn't just clean blindly. Powered by the CleverNav smart navigation system and a high-precision sensor matrix, including dual gyroscopes and accelerometers, it maps your pool's layout in real time. It follows a highly efficient S pattern without missing a single spot, smoothly navigating around steps or pool lights. Now let's talk about its most impressive underwater feature, wall climbing. Thanks to its powerful motor-driven tracks, the robot defies gravity and climbs vertical walls effortlessly. Whether your pool surface is tile, liner, or fiberglass, it maintains a strong grip all the way up. Once it reaches the top, it tackles the waterline. This is where body oils, sunscreen, and grime usually build up. The Sora P7 moves horizontally along the waterline, scrubbing away those tough stains. When the job is done, its submarine-inspired buoyancy system brings it right back to the surface for easy retrieval. When finished, the robot automatically flows to the top. Thanks to smart drain technology, it flushes out the water instantly as you lift it, making it incredibly lightweight and easy to pull out. Let's open it up. This 6-liter massive basket features a dual-layer system. The 150-micron outer mesh traps large leaves and bugs, keeping your pool's main system completely stress-free. Inside, the ultra-fine 3-micron microfiber filter captures invisible dust and pollen. Cleaning it is a breeze, just a quick rinse with a hose, and it's ready for the next round. The BeatBot app is super clean and intuitive. Right from the main screen, you can switch between the 4 custom cleaning modes or easily create smart schedules. Thanks to Wi-Fi, you can track the real-time battery status and view detailed cleaning history mapped out by the Clever Nav algorithm. Plus, with OTA updates, your robot gets smarter over time. The Sora P7 truly automates pool care. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.